How to fix Android is plugged in but not charging. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. All you have to do now is tap on about phone and check for any updates available for your device. As you do that, you'll get the updates, and if not, you can see you'll be getting the notification of no updates available. After that, what you can simply do is go back and make a long press on power button at the top and then tap on the reboot option over here and restart the device, because a lot of times while you reset the device or just restart the device, your issue gets solved. And if this does not work, you'll have to take your device to the workshops near you and just check it or get it done. And that's how you'll be able to fix your Android is plugged in but not charging, because you might be having issue with your charging port or your charging cable connection or something else. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.